Hi everyone, just here to show another little experiment that I've got going on at the moment. I'm going to be really careful with this because it's inky and I'm not quite sure how I'm going to get this to work without making a massive mess everywhere. Because I'm going to try and use this poppy paper. The thing is, if you cut the poppy paper, it stops being poppy. So you lose the bubbles. So I'm going to try and use it like this and hope I don't make a mess everywhere. So what we're going to do, first of all, just take a little bit of ink and spray it on my plate. As you can see, the plate has been used for tea staining things in the past. So, you know, if you know, you know. And all I'm going to do is I've just got a piece of card. So I thought paper will just soak straight through. I'm just going to take a little bit of this. And I'm going to keep my rag nearby so I don't splosh it everywhere. And see what this does. See if it actually makes any patterns that are worthy of being called patterns. Not really. Not really. I've seen this done somewhere. I'm sure I've seen this done where somebody actually did make some really good patterns with poppy paper, but that doesn't seem to work at all. So I've just cleaned that all off so it doesn't leave any ink anywhere. So that's a bit of a big fail. But luckily enough, I have some smaller poppy paper here. And I wonder if it might work better with a smaller variety of poppy paper. So we'll see. See, I don't think that's really taking up much ink. I wonder if I spray it directly onto the thing, it might be better. Let's see how that works. Oh, wow. Now that's cool. I'm glad we tried that, because that's almost like a honeycomb stencil. Excellent. So, big poppy paper, not so much fun. Little poppy paper, excellent fun. Really, really good. I might use that in a background that I'm working on. I'm not quite sure. That's drying at the moment. It's got some texture paste on it. So, yeah, that's really cool. I like that a lot. So we can definitely play with that more and make some more shapes, and we can make some more fun things. So yeah, keep your poppy paper, especially if it's small poppy paper. I don't have any of the bigger one, I don't think, at the moment. I'm going to ask around my family and say, please save me any of your poppy paper so that we can try and see what else we can do with it. But yeah, I'm really pleased with that. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I think I'll try that on my background that I'm working on at the moment and just add it. We've got a lot going on in that background and it's only a piece of A4 paper, so who knows what we're going to do. It's kind of collage-y. If you've seen the video that I made about textures, it's this one. So at the moment, that's living in its drying area. Just drying. So I'm going to try some of that on it next. Excellent. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again very, very soon.